Garmin has been in the smartwatch game longer than most. While the Apple Watch was still a concept, Garmin was already producing top-tier fitness watches. Over the years, we've tested their best models, evolving from simple trackers to advanced training and wellness devices. With thousands of hours of testing under our belts, we're here to help you navigate Garmin's top 3 most impressive lineup. The Forerunner 265, the best for runners. For runners, the Garmin Forerunner 265 leads the pack. It offers a great mix of training tools, a bright AMO LED touchscreen, and excellent battery life in a stylish and comfortable design. The Forerunner 265 comes in 2 sizes. The 265 has a 1.3-inch display with a 416 by 416 resolution. The 265S has a 1.1-inch display with a 360 by 360 resolution. Despite the upgraded display, battery life remains strong. The 265S lasts up to 15 days in smartwatch mode and 24 hours in GPS mode. The 265 lasts 13 days in smartwatch mode and 20 hours in GPS mode. The standout feature, Garmin's Training Readiness Score, which evaluates your sleep, recovery, and stress levels to tell you how ready you are for an intense workout. It also includes heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and a morning report feature that summarizes your sleep, training load, and weather forecast. The Forerunner 55, best for beginners. If you're a beginner and looking for a budget-friendly option, the Forerunner 55 is a solid choice. While it lacks high-end features like training readiness and built-in music, it still offers essential running metrics, heart rate monitoring, and sleep tracking. The design's simple, with a 1-inch non-touchscreen display and button navigation. The battery life is impressive, up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode and 20 hours in GPS mode. Features like Pace Pro give real-time pace and cadence guidance, and Garmin Coach offers free training plans to help you improve. The Forerunner 165, best entry-level AMO LED watch. For those who want an entry-level AMO LED watch, the Forerunner 165 is an excellent choice. It has a bright 1.2-inch AMO LED display with a 390 by 390 resolution, similar to the Forerunner 265, but at a lower price point. Its battery life holds up well, 11 days in smartwatch mode and 19 hours in GPS mode. The Forerunner 165 includes training and recovery features like Pace Pro, body battery, workout suggestions, and sleep tracking. It even has safety features like emergency alerts in case of a fall. Garmin isn't just for runners. If you're into hiking, the Enduro 3 is the best pick. It's rugged, waterproof, features solar charging, and even has a built-in flashlight. Perfect for outdoor adventures. No matter your fitness level or budget, there is a Garmin watch for you. From beginner-friendly options like the Forerunner 55 to high-end training tools in the Forerunner 265 and 165, Garmin has something for everyone. Choose the one that best fits your needs and take your training to the next level.